Welcome to the GWIS Chemicals and Engineering Informative Videos channel. In this video, you will gain knowledge and awareness about cartridge filters, which is also known as sediment filter. The aim of this video is to provide a brief insight into the application of cartridge filter, its importance in water treatment, the material used to make the filter, the filtration frequency, which is also known as pore size, the length and the type of filter. We will also let you know about the cleaning, replacement and housing of the cartridge filter. Let's begin with the application. The cartridge filter is mainly used in water treatment system, especially in the pre-treatment of reverse osmosis system. It removes sediments including sand, silt, suspended solid and other large impurities. A cartridge filter is an essential part of a reverse osmosis system because the reverse osmosis system is designed to remove only the dissolved solid and is susceptible to suspended solids such as sand, silt and rock particles. These sand particles and suspended solids should be removed completely from feed water before entering the reverse osmosis membranes. If these suspended solids will enter the membranes, it will cause clogging of membrane pores and create a large hole which will ultimately lead to feed water passing without the removal of TDS. As a result, the feed TDS may increase. To remove these impurities, it is crucial to install cartridge filter system before the reverse osmosis membranes. The material used in the cartridge filter is polypropylene fiber and polypropylene yarn. You can see here in the picture the PPY and PPF filter. The cartridge filter pore size varies from 0.1 micron to 5 micron depending on the application. For reverse osmosis system, 1 micron and 5 micron are widely used in the pre-treatment in reverse osmosis or ultrafiltration. The 1 micron filter provide more better filtration as compared to 5 micron. Due to higher efficiency of 1 micron, it is also higher in cost as compared to 5 micron cartridge filter. Let's have a look at the length of the filters. The cartridge filter is available in 4 length variations, that is 10, 20, 30 and 40 inches. Move on to the type of cartridge filter, that is slim and jumbo cartridge filter. Based on the outer diameter, cartridge filter are of two categories. Slim cartridge. Inner diameter of the slim cartridge filter is 25 mm and the outer dia varies between 61 to 63 mm. Jumbo cartridge filter. The inner diameter of the jumbo cartridge filter is 25 mm and the outer diameter is 93 mm. Jumbo cartridge filter is available only in 10 and 20 inches length, whereas slim filter is available in all 4 length sizes. Cleaning and maintenance. When cartridge filter becomes fully loaded with the collected contaminants as typically indicated by either an increase in back pressure or a decrease in flow rate, then cleaning or replacement is required. If the pressure drop exceeds 10 psi, it is an indication that the filter should be replaced with a new one. Placement of cartridge filter in the casing or housing. The cartridge filter is held in a rod and contained in a housing. The flow of water is from outside to the inside, means that all the suspended solids and particulates stick and collect to the outside of filters. Thanks for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe to the channel to get more informative videos about water treatment.